Box drill. This is a hip loosening drill. So I start in a middle stance, and I'm gonna go up balls on each side, or round kicks on each side. When your right foot goes where your left foot is, as a mirror, then your left foot is kicking. It happens all at the same time, so it looks like this. I go in one motion, kick, and then land back to that middle stance. Now, your left foot is gonna go to where your right foot is, as your right foot's kicking, boom, back to the middle stance. So the box, it's like you're on a box here, and you're hitting a point. So boom, that's half, that's the full. On a bag, it looks like this. Middle stance wider than the base of the bag. Kick it on one side, here, land all the way back, feet nice and wide. Kick the other side, back nice and wide. I'm actually gonna show you that with the bag directly, so you can see what I'm talking about here. Left foot's gonna kick. Boom, you should be able to see the base foot where it was. Now come back here, land, and then back. So to do the box drill, you're gonna go as many times as you can. A good drill, let's do like, let's start with 10, because it's a good conditioning drill, but we really wanna make sure that our hips are rotating and that we're landing wide enough. It doesn't do me any good to do this kind of motion where my hips aren't doing anything, I'm just kind of jumping around. So I wanna make sure there's an actual kick. Every time that I land, I'm gonna hear something. So here we go, 10 of them. Let's start, if you're looking like me, you don't have a bag possibly, or maybe you do, but you could have somebody holding your Hogu. They're wearing the Hogu, do that on that. You have a Hogu strapped around I think I saw one person strapped around like a lawn chair. So just get creative with the target, or hit it in the air, it's fine. But our left foot's gonna start it, and we're gonna go here, here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Great drill for mobility.